Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to cut a Capcut video or video on Capcut on your phone. So you're going to go ahead and open up the Capcut application and you open up the video which you basically want to edit. So I'm just going to choose a new project here. Now when the new project opens up, as you can see, you cannot do anything until you click edit, or if you don't want to click that button, you can actually just click on the video itself and that edit button will automatically click itself. So to cut a video, as you can see, there's a minus sign right there at the start. So that's how you cut it. The same goes for the end. And if you want to split a clip, you can actually click wherever you like to do that, split it, and again, you can edit it like that and cut it, trim it. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.